Yeah, got that pro. Today, I am going to be making a video about the barracks. To be honest, I've been kind of busy and I am less than 20 days out from leaving Korea. Won't have the time to be posting until I get back to the States. Also, it's cold outside. Yeah, I don't really feel like being outside when it's cold. I will be showing you guys, or soldiers that are coming to Korea within the next few months, what the barracks out here look like in South Korea. Camp Humphreys, to be exact. I don't know what other camps, barracks look like, so I can't really help you there if you guys are going anywhere else. But the barracks I'm staying in, they were built when I first got here, and I was the second person to live in my room. So all the barracks out here haven't really been used that much. They're going to look a lot different from other barracks on this post. I'll also be showing you guys other videos of my room when I first got here. The video I'm going to be showing now will be of how it looked after I lived in it for a while, and it's a big difference. I did it a lot different from what I had it the first time. For people that are engineers or 12 Charlies or in an engineer unit coming this way, I feel like you will really like it. You have a tub, shower. Most people barracks that I've been to at Camp Humphreys, they've only had a shower, no tubs. Different, and I also have my own room. There's just a lot of nice things that I'm going to be showing. I can't really say them all right now because I can't think of everything that's in this building, but just show you.